And a good Wednesday night to you all. Chief Meteorologist Greg Rule here. Thanks for tuning in. And that's going to leave another clear, calm, and quiet night. Another CC and Q night. A live look with our Sky 5 tower cam showing predominantly cloud-free skies, with the exception of that one little fair weather cumulus. Okay. Yep. Now we're cloud-free out there. Beautiful conditions.
Expecting a lot of good vibes this evening.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, the vibes are already out. The weather is perfect. And these guys are the headlining band. And you can see that spin in the atmosphere in portions of central Arizona right now. That's where that upper level low is. Winter weather advisories once again will remain in effect until 11 p.m. tomorrow night. Upwards of 10 inches of snow. With the rapid snow melt and the excessive rain we've had up in the high country, flood advisories remain in effect near the Aspen area in Pitkin County. And we'll see clouds continue to thicken overnight tonight. Temperatures bottoming out in the lower 50s. Wind, rain, and snow all in your weekend forecast. Details after the break. All right, looking like a mostly sunny and a terrific Tuesday for us here in the Valley.
And a very good afternoon to you all. Chief Meteorologist Greg Rule, and yes, your weather guy on the fly, live at the Mesa County Fair. Right now I'm at the Wacky Shack Funhouse. It's an absolutely beautiful afternoon out here under partly cloudy skies. Temperatures couldn't be more perfect in the lower 70s. Winds on the calm side. Skies basically cloud-free. All in all, weather-wise, a picture-perfect day to start off this festival.
This was the scenario throughout the day. Today we had an upper level low with the extending cold front pushing through the region. A gusty southwest flow out ahead of this, but behind it, once we have frontal passage, it's going to usher in a drier and a cooler air mass for your overnight tonight and into tomorrow. Things are looking fantastic. I will totally sing Rain, Rain, Go Away. Rain, rain, go away.
Oh, yeah, go. Do it.
That was good, right?
Oh.
News Channel 5 Jacqueline Thrapp joins us live from the fire station downtown in Grand Junction. Jacqueline, what can you tell us?
And welcome back, everybody. Chief Meteorologist Greg Rule and your weather guy on the fly. Continue it out here at the Palisade Bluegrass and Roots Festival.
Everything's starting to bloom.
It is
Even my grass is
gorgeous.
turning green. I'm just throwing a little bit of water on it. It's just starting to poof on up.
Yeah, I know. I had to mow the lawn last week.
Yeah,
so.
I know. That's just the the inevitable right
I wish
there.
the trees were this color year-round. They're so stunning.
It's only going to get better.
Yeah,
though.
it's only going to get better and warmer. We've got a slight little cool down coming ahead this week, so don't get too excited. With well above the average of 64. Currently, we're sitting in the lower 70s in both Grand Junction, Rifle, and Montrose, all right around 71 and 72 degrees. 73, the warm spot, currently in Moab.
Do you have what it takes to be as cool as Greg Rule? Do you have what it takes to be the next junior forecaster?
Wow, well, good forecast. It's going to be sunny and hot this weekend, huh? Great job, buddy. Put her there. All right, my man. And as always, all of my forecasters receive a free $25 gift card to City Market. Joshua, here you are.
Thank you.
You are certainly welcome. This guy's got some character right here. And now, you ready, Joshua? Back to you two. Well, good job, you two. Looks like we're going to have some wet weather, but excellent job forecasting. Give me 5. All right. Oh, that was a good one. This is going to send a hurricane coming on over through the Great Basin and into western Colorado tomorrow. I'm just joking. It's April Fool's Day. I had to get at least one in there for you. Chief Meteorologist Greg Rule and your weather guy on the fly reporting live from downtown Grand Junction out at the Farmers Market. Stick with us. We'll be right back. Certainly not a secret. It has been a wet month of July so far. Nearly 70% of our days have reported at least a trace of moisture. All the green, yep, that's some moisture. The grays, those are days where we did not have any sort of rain. Only around 25% of our month has been dry here in July. Boy, what an amazing wet month we've had thus far in July. And we're already at 7.5 inches of rain for the year, and that's nearly 3 inches above average through July 21st. Now, what's going on right now? National Loop radar. We've got this upper level disturbance into the northern tier of the country with the extending cold front kind of affecting northwestern Colorado. We've got some instability up there, but for us here in the lower valleys, nothing is going on. Now, this ridge of high pressure, this is going to kind of meander back and forth over the next couple of days. Become Friday into Saturday, it's going to shift to the west, and you can see all this moisture pluming south to north. That's that monsoonal moisture. So once this ridge slowly starts to situate itself back kind of in southeastern Colorado, then we'll see that return flow of a southerly flow, and that will bring in some cloud cover, most likely Sunday through Tuesday of next work week. But until then, Yeah, 2 thumbs up from the weather guy. Things are looking good. Now, state loop of what's going on. We're kind of seeing a southwest to a northeasterly flow with the most unstable conditions up in northwestern Colorado, right along that frontal boundary. But for us here in the lower valleys, nothing is going on. We can zoom on in and let you see what's happening. We are clear and dry here in the valley. We've got a few isolated pop and drop thunderstorms up on top of the Grand Mesa, as well as possibly a few sprinkles right around the Delta area. But that is about it. For most of us, it's been a gorgeous Wednesday afternoon, and that's going to continue overnight tonight and through the afternoon tomorrow. Futurecast not showing up on anything. Maybe a few widely isolated showers up in the high country, but that moisture will most certainly stay up in the higher elevations, leaving mostly sunny and dry conditions for your Thursday afternoon. Now, typically 93, 94 degrees is where we should be for this time of year. We're in the upper 80s right now, officially out at the airport at 87 degrees, as well as in Rifle, 88 in Montrose, 77 in Glenwood Springs, 71, a very pleasant 71 in Aspen, and in the upper 80s currently in Moab, sitting at 89 degrees. Now for tonight, yep, it's going to be another C, and Q night. Clear, calm, and quiet. All in all, a pleasant overnight for us here in the valley. Average low 64. We'll be at 61 degrees under a light southeasterly breeze near 5 to maybe 10 miles per hour. We'll switch to the northwest tomorrow afternoon, but remain rather calm near 10 miles per hour. Mostly sunny and slightly warmer than what we're dealing with today, but still below average by a few degrees. Average high tomorrow, 93. We will be at 91 degrees for your afternoon high. And if you're going to be down at the farmers market tomorrow, I'll be doing my weather guy on the fly deal down there. 90 degrees expected by around 6 p.m. Upper 80s through 7, dropping into the lower 80s around 8 p.m. Mostly sunny and a great afternoon to come on down to the downtown Grand Junction farmers market, kicking off at around 5:30. Now sunset tomorrow night expected at 8:35. So all in all, yeah, it's going to be a nice afternoon and a nice early evening for your festivities down in Grand Junction. Now overnight tonight in Montrose, 57 degrees, 87 tomorrow, 88 Friday, 89 on Saturday. Sunny and dry conditions will continue. Maybe some slight added cloud cover on Saturday into Sunday as we'll get that southerly monsoonal flow, but I'm not anticipating any showers over the next few days. Now upper 70s will remain in the forecast tomorrow, Friday into Saturday up in the high country, with your overnight lows remaining near seasonal in the mid to upper 40s. And your 3-day forecast here in the valley, 91 tomorrow, 92 on Friday, 94 on Saturday. A wonderful 2 days to end off our work week and a perfect way to start off our weekend. Sunday as well, above seasonal at 96 degrees under mostly sunny and dry conditions. Hi, I'm Greg Rule, Chief Meteorologist for News Channel 5, and I'm here to tell you about this amazing program we have called Weather School. I'll come and give a 45-minute fun and interactive presentation on all things weather, from the water cycle and how tornadoes are formed, all the way to how I get the information I need to bring you an accurate weather forecast. Your class will be featured on the evening weather, so head on over to westernslopenow.com and sign up your class today.
We know you have mad junior forecaster skills. Do you have what it takes to be as cool as Greg Rule? Do you have what it takes to be the next junior forecaster? All you have to do is put down that iPad and tell your mom and dad you need to ride to City Market. Pick up a Rex the Rain Cloud coloring sheet and explain to us why we should pick you. Then just drop it off at our studios. Now you're entered to win a chance to be on TV with our Chief Meteorologist, Greg Rule. Winners will receive a $25 gift card.